Can chiropractic improve your performance in the gym? Today, we're gonna find out. We are gonna put 6 individuals through a series of challenges to see if chiropractic works.
My name is Kathy and I want to improve my flexibility.
Hi, my name is Vanessa and I want to increase my endurance for HIIT training.
Hi guys, my name is Ben and I aim to improve my flexibility for martial arts.
Hi, my name is Maggie and I want to increase my range of motion so I can help my daughter in dance.
Hi, my name is Debbie. I'm ready to boost my strength so I can lift heavier.
Hi, my name is Kathy and I want to increase my range of motion for yoga.
But before we dive into the adjustments, let's see how our participants perform in action.
Our first test most of us have seen. It's called the sit and reach test. Sit and reach is a popular test used to measure the flexibility of the hamstrings and lower back. Flexibility in these areas is crucial for injury prevention, balance, posture, and overall health-related fitness. Our second test, the Romanian deadlift, is a popular compound exercise that primarily targets the muscles in the posterior chain, including the hamstrings, glutes, and lower back. It's an excellent exercise for building strength and improving flexibility in the lower body. Our third test, the goniometer for trunk flexion, is a tool commonly used in chiropractic and physical therapy to measure the range of motion of the trunk during flexion movements. It helps assess the flexibility of the muscles and joints in the lower back and hip region. Here are the total pre-adjustment results.
But now it's time to experience the power of the chiropractic adjustment.
All our participants have had a full consultation and x-rays prior to recording. Our doctors are using a full spine diversified technique. It's no secret that all NFL teams and elite athletes like Lebron James and Tiger Woods use chiropractic. In a moment, we will find out why.
With their spines aligned and their bodies ready, it's time for the post-adjustment assessments.
After the adjustment, I feel a lot more flexible and very relaxed.
I had so much more energy during my workout after my adjustment and a lot of more flexibility for dancing. I'm very happy with the results.
Hi, it's Debbie again. After having my first adjustment ever, I feel amazing. I feel a huge change in my energy, my flexibility, my range of motion. I feel great. I'll keep doing it.
After my adjustment, I feel like I'm able to do a lot more reps and I just feel a lot more flexible in my body. I can move better. It's great.
After my adjustment, I definitely have a great improvement in my range of motion and I'm definitely ready for my next karate class.
After my adjustment, I felt absolutely amazing. Definitely best workout of my life.
Stay tuned for more amazing transformations and inspiring journeys on our channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to spread the magic of chiropractic adjustments. The first 3 people to subscribe, like, and comment on this video will receive a complimentary assessment, consultation, x-rays, and adjustment at New Leaf Chiropractic.